Here at seca, one thing we've learned in our over 182-year history is that if you want to drive innovation, it's best to keep everything in-house. We do all our own research and development, design, engineering, and manufacturing ourselves.
We have always been on the cutting edge. In fact, we invented a lot of the products that are now standard issue in most medical facilities worldwide, like digital baby scales, chair scales, digital medical column scales, large platform scales, digital height measuring rods, and on and on and on.
Not surprisingly, seca is the world's largest medical weighing and measuring company. In the Western Hemisphere, we have over 70% market share. The demand for new technology has increased dramatically, and we here at seca are determined to stay at the very forefront of innovation. And even after over 180 years of experience, we're still young at heart.